When was the last time you did some online shopping? I mean, mine was this morning. Whether it's Amazon, Walmart, Home Depot, Macy's, or even Instacart, you get to do it from the comfort of your couch. It's just so easy, right? Well, guess what? Selling your home is actually no different. Hi there, April Borst here with Arizona Best Real Estate, and I'm here to let you in on a little secret. Now, gone are the days when just putting a for sale sign in the yard and adding your home to the MLS is enough. Now, if your agent isn't tapping in the power of social media, well, then you're missing out on this massive audience of potential buyers who are scrolling every single day. Did you know that 97% of home buyers start their search online? And while a whopping 74% of agents are using social media in some type of way now, only 1% are using it effectively. The good news is, I'm in that 1%. Now, as a real estate professional, I'm always ahead of the curve, offering my sellers a cutting-edge digital marketing strategy that gets your home in front of these thousands of buyers, right where they're already looking. In fact, you're probably watching this video because of my very own marketing efforts. And if you want your home to be showcased with the same tools that the Fortune 500 companies use to grab attention, well, then give me a call. I'm passionate about what I do, and when you do what you love like I do, well, it shows. So let's get your home the exposure it deserves, because as always, my focus is you. And hey, you'll love me, I guarantee it.